Hi guys, today I'm talking about the Sunjoe, the 13A electric pressure washer. Hi guys, today I'm talking about the Sunjoe, the 13A electric pressure washer. Ideal washer pressure for people who are looking at a durable, effective, affordable, portable, easy to set up, easy to use and easy to maintain kind of a cleaner. So guys, this is actually very good for the most challenging of the jobs, cleaning jobs. It can just clean about anything, be it your cars, any kind of surfaces, roads, patios, driveways and whatnot. Guys, according to me, the most special thing about this pressure washer is the high quality hose pipes. You have the green one and the black one, so they are very durable as compared to some of the other brands and competitors. Those are currently available. Very easy to use. There are not many buttons to maneuver. There's just one simple power button. You just turn the knob and gets switched on. Guys, first things first, this portion, this is the wire that you need to plug into an electric socket. Then you need to connect the hose with the machine, and just to let you know, you get the green connector but you don't get the hose with this device, so you have to buy it separately. Next guys, you're supposed to connect this black hose with the cleaning gun, so this hose goes right here. So guys, next we're gonna just switch it on. This is how you switch it on, switch it off. Alright guys, so I'm all set with my gun to clean, so let's see how this works. Just gonna press the green button and here we go. Wow. And of course guys, the most interesting bit about this pressure washer is this gun kind of cleansing device. So guys, this can actually shoot water up to 15 feet of height, so you can just use this to even clean walls of a building, and of course anything like dirty tires of a truck, car. You can use it to clean fences and just about anything. So guys, according to me, there are actually just two flip sides of this gadget. First being the noisy bit. It is a bit noisy the moment you switch it on. So I don't know if you can just spend a lot of time with this gadget. I just find it really noisy, but I know a lot of people are just used to it, and for a lot of people that's not a challenge. But yeah, I feel like that just, if you are someone who doesn't like that much of noise, then I don't know how pleasant using this is for you. And the other thing, at least for me, I just find it too heavy. So although this says this is portable, there are wheels, but this is good 30 pounds. So if I have to move it a lot, again and again and again and again, then I just need to call someone for help. I just cannot do it independently, a lot of it. So it's a little bulky for me, but that's just me, my point of view. So overall, for people who just love cleaning and wet cleaning, especially, who are obsessed with spending the whole weekend cleaning their yards, cars, garages, washing the driveway and stuff like that, I think this is a really cool gadget.